Welcome to week 2, video number 2. So I'm starting at slide number 8. So one of the ways you're going to figure out what makes you unique is do that high 5 assessment. So if you haven't had a chance to do it yet, maybe you are a Monday or Tuesday class student, you're still responsible for the week 1 content and activity. So make sure you do that. This high 5 reflection will be due this week, so you need to do this assessment. Anyway, so that'll give you some ideas about some of your skills or qualities that make you unique or special that you should promote or emphasize or use during when you create your marketing materials. And to get you thinking about that even more so, or practicing that skill, the high 5 reflection asks you to think about some evidence that you've used these skills in the past, or you can think of ways you plan to use these skills in the future to further your career or further your academics or in your personal life. Okay. So we're going to use those unique things. We're going to incorporate them into your marketing materials. And these are some examples of marketing materials. And the one we're going to work on first is an elevator pitch. So what is an elevator pitch? Well, there's a video called How to Create a 2-Minute Elevator Pitch. And it's in a database called lynda.com, or sometimes called LinkedIn Learning. And I'd like you to access LinkedIn Learning or lynda.com and watch this video, please. And note that this is not available at Durham College, this database. It used to be, but it isn't anymore. So now you're going to need to access it through your local public library. So here's some links to Oshawa, Whitby, Ajax, Pickering, and you can access it with your library membership card, which I trust you all have, a public library card. And if not, get one. And then you can access this video, because this video lesson, she's going to teach you how to do an elevator pitch and I'm going to get you to submit your assignment following her instructions. So it's really important that you watch the video. And again, if you're from somewhere that doesn't have a public library system, that doesn't have LinkedIn Learning or lynda.com, you can get a library card from Oshawa Public Library and access the database there. So she's going to go through 5 steps on how to create an effective elevator pitch. And she's going to say that you should start by engaging with a relatable question. So for example, you're meeting somebody and you say, are you looking for, do you need help with? Because a question automatically gets people to give their attention to you. And hopefully it's a rhetorical question and the answer is yes, because then you're going to go and explain why you can do that. You can answer their question and you'll explain what you do, why you're a great value as an employee, a potential employee. You're going to promote something special about yourself, and you're going to end your elevator pitch by showing some passion. And she goes through in this video series with examples of each of those things. So I'm going to end here, and then I'll start on slide 14.